Hi everyone, today we are making the creamiest Mediterranean omelette with fresh cheese and mint. It's soft, fragrant, incredibly easy to make of course, and perfect for any meal. Let's go. So I'm taking a big mixing bowl with 2 bowls. What I want to do now is breaking the eggs one by one. And you see I'm breaking the egg into a bowl so I can check if the egg is good or not. Because if my last egg is dirty, then I will have to throw the mixture away. I'm going to mix it with a fork. And of course you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I had some fresh cheese left in my fridge. Then yeah, it's a perfect recipe. So this is brousse cheese, but if you don't have brousse cheese, just take fresh goat cheese. That's the same thing. But it's very important, you have to take fresh cheese, because if you take old cheese, okay, it's more flavored, but it's not going to melt into the preparation. Now I'm adding a touch of freshness with those mint leaves. I just want to chop them roughly. Then I put them into the mixture. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then just subscribe to the channel. I add some salt and black pepper. I'm taking a carbon steel pan. It's perfect for this recipe because it's not going to stick. A little olive oil. It's on medium heat. You don't want to heat too much, you'll see later. Making an omelette is really hard actually. Hop into it. And now I want to whisk as quick as possible. The fork is not touching the bottom of the pan. Up, I do the edge. I do that because I want the omelette to cook evenly. And I want the omelette to be creamy. And of course you adjust the heat. Maybe you need to heat more. Okay, it's time to put the first half onto the second half. You see it's pretty much creamy. That's what I want. And of course, if you don't like creamy omelette, then you have to cook it more. I'm taking a plate. I want to tap it like this and hop. Ah, good. Ah, I made it. Great. My omelette has a nice golden brown color. That's what I wanted. Yum. I'm just chopping a few mint leaves for the final touch. Very simple, as usual, and yeah, I can't wait to eat that actually. It's creamy, that's perfect. And that's it, now you know how to make a soft and creamy Mediterranean omelette with fresh cheese and mint. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time for another delicious Mediterranean recipe. Bye!